Hi guys, Big Beard here. This is a video predominantly for Rick Wells here. I have a Kruker, I think you pronounce it. Got this one from UCOF. I'm going to try and show Rick how to do this. Could be an epic fail. I've got a zeroing tool, not quite the same as Rick's. Made one for him. So, as I've said before in the past, silver bit at the bottom. That one's empty. Turn it clockwise. That should zero all the discs. I'm going to try and show you how much tension to put on. So, without messing the discs up. Yeah, which I have done. Zero them again. Right. Get this all lined up. Pop that in there, and that's how quite close up it is, and rest your thumb on top. I normally start from the back, just try and catch the outside edge of the disc, and then give it a wiggle and see where it clicks. I'll try and do this so you can see it. Sorry buddy. This could go drastically wrong, but nothing there. There's a click there. So I've gone anti-clockwise, but I tend to go backwards and forwards throughout the stack. I'll try and same pressure clockwise. There's a big click there, so I think that's gone into a gate. I'm going to go back on myself, and that seems to be a positive feel. Go forwards, it's quite good. If you watch that, if it pops out, it generally indicates it's not set. Let's see if I can do it on this one. Like it did there. It wants to pull itself in, then I find it's quite a positive feel, and generally indicates it's set. See, that doesn't want to go, and I don't want to force it, so that's quite a big clunk. You're supposed to keep your finger there so you can generally feel which disc you're on, but I'm trying to do this for you so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry, it's a bit all over the place. Like I say, a lot of this is to do with feel. Start at the back again. Catch the outside edge. When it clicks, sometimes you might feel a secondary click. That could be a false gate, or you might have just overshot the false gate. So that's a nice positive one. Yeah, sometimes you get lucky and you overshoot the false gate, and That's all good. And the lock opens, but no, I thought I got that one there. Just check it. No. Start back again. So it's a bit like pin tumblers. Eventually you get the feel for it. You get the feel for the tension. But it's not always, even after zeroing the discs, it's not always clockwise. Sometimes you do have to go back on yourself because you've overset them. But it is always a good idea to try and zero them in a clockwise position, otherwise you've got a lot of messing about. Solomon or Dr. Bint does do a hell of a lot of better videos of this than me. But since I regard you as a really good friend, Rick, I thought I would try and give my own take on this. And I feel partly responsible as I sent you a lock and a pick and not a lot else. So I was trying to pull it out. That was a positive one because it wanted to turn itself all. See, that's trying to pull itself out. And there we go. Unlocked. You will get a feel for it, I promise you, bud. Good luck with it. And pick Bird out.